Mind you, like we said, the bigger focus is the index. And if you just look at what the election season has done for the markets, right? And just look at this chart that we prepared, which kind of shows the volatility around the election period for our markets. And it's been a very, very volatile Nifty, starting from April 19th, which was when the first phase one of the polling began, till as of 8th May, not 9th May, but the 8th May, 2:30 p.m. It was a loss of over 600 points. If you add the 9th May losses, it's even more. So, the election trade hasn't quite worked well thus far from a bull's perspective. Let's see if that were to continue. Avinash, if you had to accumulate something right now, 1 minute answer, what is it that you would do?
I think I would bet on the hospitality sector. I think we like companies like Indian Hotels, East India Hotels. I think these are, fairly defensive bets and with good earnings growth, potential possibilities for the coming year also. And I think, within the auto component space also, we like one or two companies like Sundaram Fasteners, Ask Automotives. These are companies which have been beaten down. And I think a good recovery in basically the two-wheeler markets is going to be something which would benefit Ask Auto quite significantly. In fact, Sundaram Fasteners would benefit from a large commercial vehicle and passenger car kind of volume growth expansion in the current year. So I think hotels would be a top pick, and I think Indian Hotels, East India Hotels, even at the current levels, an investor can expect a decent risk.
All right, last call, Amar, very quickly. What is the one big bet this morning on a very, very, I would say, iffy day where it's difficult to take a clear call?
Yeah, I would say that if one looks at a particular stock, in that case, Bharat Forge is one stock one can definitely keep a close watch on. Because this is one stock which has, I would say, defied the market's correction and continues to be very strong on the back of significant volumes and delivery quantity. And also what we're seeing is that the stock has breached a crucial zone of resistance earlier, which was around 1350 odd levels. So currently it's around 1400, 1420. If you look at the overall structure of the chart on the long-term, intermediate-term trend, short-term, that continues to be very strong. So this is one stock on any correction. This is a stock one can definitely look at buying. The levels to watch out for on the downside would be around 1350, 1360. If there's a correction towards that level, that can be a good buying opportunity with an upside target of 1470 on the upside, and stop loss would be below 1300 levels.